Welcome guys. Really very nice to see almost 39 candidates from Merckx, and today you will be trained on the PLC program. We have a Siemens program, a PLC 1200. Okay, I showed you logo, and now I am going to show you 1200 serial of Siemens program. So right now the program is running. You can see the PLC program here, and you can see the program has been loaded, and you can see the ladder logic. This is the star delta ladder logic. Now when you are going to put it on, the candidate here will put the switch on, and you can see the thing getting on. The contactor will get on and it will be latched. Can you put it on please? So you can see here, then again put it off. Yeah, so now you can see the timer is running. You can see the timer running, and after 20 seconds, 10 seconds, this is getting activated. Scroll down please. Scroll down. Yeah, you can see it has changed from star to delta. Okay, now again we'll do the same thing. Can you put a stop from there? Yeah, stop. Yeah, now it is stopped. Can you start again please? Yes, now you see it is on star. The timer is running up, it is scrolling, then after 10 seconds this will change over to delta. So still timer is running, it's changing over to delta. So this program is ladder logic, and the thing has been connected to the PLC. You can see the lights coming over here. Okay, that is the real light. From that the signal will go to the contactor for star and delta. Okay, so any question you feel that how you feel? Anybody? How you feel this? How you feel? How you feel the ladder logic?
It's like understandable, sir. It's not that complicated. Like if you go through it and if you know how to draw the circuit diagram, I think it is easy to execute.
Yeah. So here this PLC is used for boiler. I have shown a simple diagram, ladder logic. When you go to the PLC program, it will be connected to the flame sensor. It will connect to the water level and all the things. It will be logic. If water level is low, it will not fire. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.